Alright guys, getting ready to head out and hit the trail here in just a little bit. I'm taking the Tacoma. I think Derek and Lori and the dog are riding in there with me. Sean's taking the Jeep. Steve and Mo and the two little boys are going to be in the Power Wagon. And then Abe is rocking his Tundra. And then Joe has a wedding to go to, so sucks to be him because they gotta go to a wedding instead of going to hit the trail. So I'll get some footage along the way and enjoy the ride. Got my traveling partner right here. Say hi to Gabby. She's having a great time. Well guys, got a...
Sure, none of the rest of them are signaling.
Got a whole bunch of UTVs coming by. Yeah guys, there was 8 total, he said. I think this is the last one right here. Hand signals when you're traveling in a train on these off-road trails. Hold up how many fingers you got behind you. So that guy just held up a 1. He's got 1 behind him. That way nobody gets in any head-ons here. If you got 0, just hold up a fist.
He was sure unhappy he was about to lose that head-on with me. Asshole.
Yeah. That one got Sean.
Did I get you, Sean?
Well.
Yeah, now you have to watch the
And Steve is a dick. Because look, that's like the crustiest mud ever. Did you say you gained 8 PSI just in the heat?
Like 5 actually.
Definitely need to do some cleaning. I got a lot of squeaks I didn't have before. I got dirt and stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna have to definitely do some cleaning when I get home.
All right, let's see if Abe can make it. Uh-oh. One more try.
Pretty good view from here, guys. Pretty good view. That was a pretty good guess. Not quite tapped.
I was going for a tap, but I freaking fell short.
What happened, Steve?
Well, I had to use the lockers.
Ooh, cheated. So you lost the point. Bumper's still intact though.
Yeah, I don't see any body damage.
Are we getting out?
Oh, you can if we need to. The river's just at the bottom here.
Yeah. Lori's peeing right
Not too bad. I don't see any body damage. You hit it?
I mean, I covered it with,
Oh yeah. Did you plug your air hole?
Yeah.
Air hole plug. Everything's still there.
All right, we're moving.
All right. Yeah, sure. Shortcut. Yep. I'm not gonna make it in 2.
The hard part is just not knowing how deep that is right there.
Yeah, and how hard I can hit it. Well guys, I'm
Want me
at
to
the
go
bottom.
film it?
I'm not really sure if I'm gonna make it up the other side in 2 or not.
I'm all halfway down the hill. I'm committed at this point. I don't think I'm...
Nope.
Micah, you still on 2-wheel drive or you go to 4?
Had to go to 4, but does it count if Sean can't make it?
No, it does. If Sean can't make it in 2, then yeah, it doesn't count. But if Sean makes it in 2, he gets +1.
Nice.
I was rooting for you.
So close. Hi, Senator.
Micah, tell the ride tonight.
Sean definitely can't be outdone by me, so let's see what Steve and Abe decide to do.
They're getting high centered.
Yeah, that tree right there will get you.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I don't think my approach is.
I think you're too.
Yeah, you're
too
gonna
long.
hit front bumper way too hard.
Luna, come here.
Yeah, I won't take these.
Daddy.
Out.
Well, this is what my my backing up on the one did. I didn't think it was possible to bend that bumper, but I did.
Did you really?
Like pretty good.
Oh yeah.
There was a rock down in there you kept hitting. And then when you were like vertical.
Yeah, we hit it hard.
Gabby's over there hiding, shading up.
Micah and.
Yeah, guys, the scenery is pretty amazing around here. I think I hit the water a little too fast. It's not supposed to be in there. Whoops.
Maybe we. You want to blow it out your spark plug?
I don't know. I'm wondering if it's just the sensor.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what size is this.
So water went in a little more than we wanted it to.
Just a little bit.
I've got a bunch of sockets in my bag too, but they are all half inch.
That's too big. 5/8. The one you didn't get, Steve. Come on. Well, we pulled the spark plug and no water in there, and double checked the dipstick, but it doesn't look like chocolate milk, or it didn't before. So, and no chocolate milk. So we're good there. And this is why you bring lots of tools with you, just in case.
And onboard air.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks to Sean's onboard air with his ARB lockers, blowing my filter out. How's that filter coming, Sean?
Going.
Dry as a bone.
ARB coming to good use right here.
Got a whole socket set. And I got a bunch of pliers and extensions and all that stuff too. Well, she's alive. I didn't kill it. Not totally. I mean, I half killed it. I choked it out. I didn't kill
Despite
it.
your best efforts, you didn't kill
You
it.
saw what
my
happens
best
when the
efforts.
engine
We thought that motor swap may have been coming a little sooner.
Yeah. I might have just had an excuse to do a 2JZ swap earlier. Give it another little rev. A little bit of water coming out of the exhaust, but that's probably from it flooding back up in.
Yeah.
Well, guys, this is, hopefully you can hear me with the wind. It's not too bad, but this is why we come out here and hit this trail. Look at that freaking scenery behind me. It's just awesome. Look like a bunch of dorks out here with all of our air. Steve's got air hoses going everywhere. I got little sticks out of his freaking tire. Abe's got his air going. What happened, Sean?
when you make your own trailer, you sometimes pick up some unwanted friends.
Got a hitchhiker. Well, guys, I would say that it was a successful trip. I didn't drown the Toyota. I tried, but crisis averted. Narrowly, but crisis averted. Now it's time to get some dinner made. See how many more holes Steve can dig in the parking lot right here. Come on, Steve. I mean, come on.
Someone's got to be a dick.
Yep, it's always somebody. And I'm gonna make Steve go make us some Bloody Marys, because that sounds really good right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our little weekend adventure here. Gonna be a lot more to come. Let us know what you guys want to see, what you like, what you don't like, and next episode we'll show you what we did for dinner. Thanks again, guys.